if you broke, what the fuck? Then you stop, get the fuck up. Bunny money journey and a trust. Watch it up in like a video.
Safe Nation, the entertainment fee community. Wagwan, we're there upon the Sunday, a good time. Sundays, one of the lockdown day, them Nation. But it's a brand new week. Same old shit in a type of way. But Nation, we're not wasting time. We're going to get to it as we have a couple things to talk about. We're going to start off this one with some new releases as we're going to take a look at the new music and new music videos. Just see what going, we'll look at the official music video for the single titled Asset by dancehall artist Coyote.
Or I can't fight with 40 grand, 250 for a chip, 8 bills, rifle pan the stand, 40 grand for $2 a shot, but a 40 man, they have for more feed, how that go, they have for smart me than.
Now Nation, the intro to that song have me wondering if Coyote call out the likes of Serpy or just Serpy. Well, I'm just somebody who goes by the name Serpy, but me I wonder if Politics watch him talk about.
Serpy, go easy man. Be a bad man, they say that.
And of course, after addressing Serpy right there, so him went on to talk about badness, so more than likely, probably a Politics watch him address.
40 grand for $2 a shot, but a 40 man, they have for more feed, how that go, they have for smart me than.
But Nation, I want to tell me when I think about that, we are continue with the music. We have Skilly Bang with the official music video for the single titled So Badness.
So Badness photography, show body tot again, so savage, no sorry over it, do a shotty. Rifle with scope, panic, bone off a broken program it, nobody can make me call up now, make me panic. Yeah.
Banja Scala with Funeral Plans.
Tell them a friars, yeah, the pussy them a liars. Ready with the matic, where the fuck you feel a pliers. Roll out every tires, from pull up me a fire. The players of the strength to the tape of a day. Looking at the nozzle of the brown in the model. Fire start, yeah, Chevy teeth start tackle.
We have Fertile call out some of the worthless chopper them who only have cars and buy liquor, shoes and clothes and now make no investment.
And watch you chopper them a living at the markets. Watch you chopper them a living at the max, yo. Me watch you chopper them a living at the fat crown. And me be my trunk full of yard clothes. Oh, them a chopper have no investment.
And the last piece of content we look at in this section, it is the official music video for the single titled Money Over Love by Adisha Vibes Cartel Palmer and this protege Sika Rhymes.
Money over love, if you broke, what the fuck? Then you stop, get the fuck up. Bunny money journey and a trust. Watch it up in like a video. Pussy and another thing you know. When you make the girl bring your gun.
So Nation, that out of the way, make a look at this. US officials tells Americans to avoid Jamaica in latest travel warning. The Centers for Disease Control Prevention added 3 more countries to its highest advisory level, including the popular beach destination of Jamaica, warning Americans not to travel there. You hear that, Nation? After we government there pump the tourists them, inviting tourists to walk up and down in Jamaica. I lie to Jamaican citizens about how tourists on a 14-day quarantine before them can move around the island. 14-day quarantine to find out if them have COVID or not. But Nation, trust me when I say this, no stanky, no sing so. I don't even know if I'm telling them, maybe that is how it all started, but further down the line, tourists got to go ahead to just do what they want. But I guess we have to pick up the tourists them same way because them are put some money in the country. Make we continue though. The agency which updates its travel advisory each week raised Jamaica to a level 4, indicating a very high level of COVID-19 transmission in the country and telling American tourists to avoid travel to the island. US travelers are also advised by the State Department to not travel to Jamaica due to COVID-19. For its part, Jamaica welcomes US tourists with proof of a negative COVID-19 test to enter. Travelers must stay either designated resilient corridor or to compliant according to the country's tourism board. You hear what on destination? After that, we see this.
Dear Jamaicans, US CDC warns against travel to Sri Lanka, Jamaica and Brunei. Now you tell me, after all the bending backwards that this government has done for the tourists, the people them still turn around and tell them don't come here. And then they shaft the whole away. Treat we like second-class citizens in our own country. Tell us that tourists don't need to get joke for come here, but we must get joke for stay here. Right? Tell us that them have resilient corridor. Tourists can come here and gallivant, have wedding with 100 and odd guests, and we have to itch up in our house like we pen up. Them can go around. You notice that since these new measures come in, the numbers don't go down. You realize it's not working, because if the borders are open and people still coming in and out and and workers, tourism workers interacting with them, the numbers now go. Then you squeeze everybody on the road 4 days a week. Everybody bungle up together and carry it home and incubate it in a them house. All the numbers are gonna go down. This government boys like them don't learn. They keep doing the same thing, making the same mistakes over and over and expecting different results. That's the first sign of madness, you know. Me can't bother. Somebody please to tell the minister of what name tourism, Mr. Edmund Bartlett, say you need to just give it up and lock it down. Because we not get nowhere. The industry not getting anywhere. Because if US issue this warning, Canada going to issue the warning next, and UK going to issue the warning next, and then the industry just lock it down and make the numbers go down. 800 and odd new cases today, or 837. The numbers going in the wrong direction. Stop sacrificing Jamaican people for tourism dollar. That is what you need to do. You know, long we're telling you these things, and it's like when you can't learn. Me tired right now. I'm so over this because you don't know what you're doing. I thank you. Have yourself a good day. So the screen I'll jump out. TikTok and
We don't move on from the Prime Minister as yet. Check out this little clip shared by the Jamaica Observer.
Lock down the country, Mr. Holness. Lock it down before you win. I saw the election and run it out on my program every day. I see the landslide. Sir, please, for God's sake, come off your pumps and pride. No disrespect to you, sir. I'm humble before God. Go before God. Lay down and prostrate and say, Lord, show in a late. If God tell me that it is, oh God, Mr. Hunter. If God said that, that's what he meant. I was the one that bring the message to the then Prime Minister, Mr. Bruce Golding, and tell him to call the nation on a fasting.
Have you vaccinated?
No, I'm not. The blood still trust God.
People are saying that the vaccines are unnatural. There's nothing unnatural. God created it through man. Taking the vaccine does not in any way reduce your faith in God. God is going to protect you, and the way in which you are protected is that He has created man with the intelligence to create a medicine that can cure. We need, as a nation, to humble ourselves before God and turn away. I agree with you. But I also said to you that what God has created, that we know as medicine, is not different from any other medicine. This has been around for hundreds of years, saving life.
Now nation, I don't know if it is because of that video why iActien took to Instagram where he shared this.
Zinc fence, lightning and thunder. Anywhere me there zinc fence, thunderball. Want to them zinc fence from about 100 hard floor up. Watch your style now, see? A judgment are terrible. See, a lot of people out there every time. Me mention and me utter the words of the Almighty. And me defend the poor and want to kill me. But I saw it go. The truth offense. And the Almighty me I deal with. Watch your style now. Andrew Holness. Back at you again. Saying, me see I walk through the ghetto, me see a woman who approach you and say, yo, repent. Can't lock down the place, so. And you listen keenly. And then when we summarize, people don't understand that when you conclude everything you said to the lady, say, and these are your words. The Almighty create somebody. The Almighty create human being. The Almighty know all end product, and yet that is right. And He create human being. And human being have the knowledge, put the knowledge in human being to create the vaccine. So as the Almighty create the vaccine for us, and the lady should take it. You never hear when the lady say, yo, sufferation. Saying, Andrew, let me tell you this. Just like how God work, I saw the devil work too. Saying, no found a Baphomet boy I work under the devil regime. But that me I tell you, any leaders or any leader of any nation, saying, suffer. Remember say God said the meek shall inherit the earth. So any leader make the nation suffer. That are not God work. Any leader that look for any individual, any civilian and tell them say, God make a vaccine for them. That is an abomination of the Most High works, or the words of the Most High. Saying that will never come from the Most High, no time at all. That is abomination. You understand? Me not tell people don't take your vaccine. Go and take the vaccine if you have to take the vaccine. But Andrew Lewis say I walk through, I get to him, I say walk through, you get there, you saw the people them live. Bag of zinc fence, bag of tear down, and you have camera and bag of things, so you walk through, they get there, you say you come off of your eye ass. What the truck there with the basic necessities? Or you know, walk through, you get there. I mean, I see about 20 truck I walk through, you get there, and people are on half things, give the people them. You lock down the country again. You lock down the people them in a sufferation. With the food there, you walk through, and you carry your camera, and you report that you want to show people, say you walk through, where the food there. Where the things them will lock down in the ghetto, where the people them forget the things them there. Or you know, hand out, vaccine can't take for hungry belly. It can't take for hungry belly. Judgment, lightning, can't take for hungry belly. Remember that. See? So no found where politics oriented, I go feel like me not deal with politics, we burn politics. Me tell you say red and green have no significance unless gold in it. Only for you dead for red, green and gold, but red and green boy. Red, green and gold uplift the youth them. See? Listen to me. Where they chuck them there, you walk through a ghetto. You should have feed the people them. Where they chuck them there, you say you praise Christ and then Christ feed the multitude. Saying, with 1 fish and 2 loaves of bread, feed the people them. Judgment.
Andrew, you're wicked to me. Andrew, you're wicked to me. Me try with you.
If you don't feel as if Spice is addressing the Prime Minister by stating Andrew, no, Spice is making reference to Andrew of Chuggit. Chuggit said I'm going to sue Spice for a no-show. Spice had this to say.
You can't try to sue me, but you can't win because I sue for sue because the post they want to make on the page, me a sue no back for defamation of character. Andrew.
The post that Chuggit made, I think this is it. Please be informed that Chuggit has met all obligations with paying the artist Spice $38,773.42. Despite the no-show, our attorneys will be proceeding with taking immediate legal action for refund and damages caused. That out of the way, nation. Let me resume the video.
Andrew, you're wicked to me. Andrew, you're wicked to me. Me try with you. Me not for come here, me take up my one money and buy ticket for come here. And when me reach, we no send no car to pick me up. Oh, me left airport, pass the lift ticket. Pass the lift. You can't sue me, Andrew. Andrew, you don't know me. Me not trouble people. At 20 years, me a perform in a dance hall. Me never miss a flight. No care how me have show back to back. No care how the flight at 6 o'clock in the morning. Me never miss a show.
Talking about dancehall artist Spice, we know that the other day the entertainer had a wardrobe malfunction. A nation, when me say me spot that the story the how long because someone sent the video to me before me see it start take about the place, but I chose not to do the story. Shortly after that, me see it take off and a lot of people talking about it, including Chantal Lee Chin, who is said to be Busy Signal baby mother, the baby mother of dancehall artist Busy Signal. She's Chantal Lee Chin took to Instagram where she shared this. My ear says Spice pum pum ugly bad. Laugh out loud and the extra laugh out loud. She Chantal Lee Chin shared that with the caption stating, Anami said laugh out loud. My ear said look like cow skin. Laugh out loud. Glad me name them something there. Dopey show. Then she went on to state this. Anybody say a need lie? Of course making reference to Spice song titled Need Lie.
The nigga lie pum pum, the nigga lie pum pum. Tight and good, me hold tight and good.
Now nation, me know some people might not agree with me, but I feel as if she Chantal Lee Chin or Chantal Lee Chin for shut her mouth and just keep her ass quiet. Come on, at a time like this, maybe she and Spice not to see eye to eye. But how dare you capitalize on a moment like this? Come on, the woman private part exposed on stage. And you as a woman will have a front door. Keep your mouth shut then if you're not to see eye to eye with Spice. But you choose to capitalize on this moment. Go on Instagram, go talk about your ears, Spice pum pum ugly and how it look like cow skin. Then you later went on to delete the post. Come on, man. Oh man, you just hold a f off and go sit down. But I want to tell more and think about that. Still, Spice addressed her coochie showing on stage. Here's what the entertainer had to say. Although some people say better, Spice did keep her mouth shut. Maybe that is true. Still, check out the video.
Yes, I was exposed. We're not blind. But whatever, me don't know if I the clothes or the light or the angle or what. Me don't know what that. Me don't know what that them have sure or it go. Me don't know if them edit it. Me don't know what go on. But one thing for sure and two things for certain. And that me no look. So me not kill up myself. And remember, me not take no whole heap of man out there we can come say, look here, me go there and no so it stay. But the few look man them when me take, the few look man them will go there, the few look man them will know how under they look, can talk out of them own mouth. So me not have nothing to kill up myself. Actually, me post and say, look here, you look like me have to go take a picture and post the picture and make a video and post it just for shame me haters them. Just for make them shame. But me's a lady with class, so me just love it. And me have my kids them and me have my man who I love, so me just love it. And me now make nobody make me lose my pride and my dignity. So me I go stand up firm on my foot because of that them want me to fall on my face.
The last thing me I go leave on the with nation, it is Jano, the principal of Jonathan Grant High School, who goes by the name Mr. Uncle, I think. I'm not certain. But Mr. Uncle was recently addressing a student, and this is what he had to say.
I feel like you can't control the little thing in your pants. Because some look go 2 minute boy, right? When you can't go more than 2 minutes. On the feet on a big heavy sex up. Right? 2 minutes, man, right? Put a black eyes by your penis and calm yourself and concentrate on the 9 or the 5 subject that you're gonna do. And focus on front. Because when the girls them gone about them place and gone to you know so much woman over you with. Yeah, one of me tell the little drunk to me say. Tell the drunk to me say. They give you a break. And if they like me, I tell them meet me as Spanish town. Tell them meet me nice queer. Tell them only it be uncle say. Give you a break. Then say you want to rest your little front now. The next 10 months you gotta rest your front. Right? Then beat up your front hard enough. Now you want to rest it so you can concentrate.
You see what time o'clock, you see what time o'clock we are and get the fuck out of here. And as usual, my people.